Welcome to the channel, Met Cancer, Metabolic, Not Genetic. I'm your host, Vince Gledhill. Now, I'm not a doctor, none of this is medical advice, I'm just some random bloke on the internet. This may be the ramblings of a madman. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the professor's so-called kit. This is a kit of information that he sends out to people that reach out to him. So, what is it and where can you find it? Well, it's on our forum and I posted it back in July. We've had quite a few subscribers since then, so I thought I would put this video out for anyone seeking out the information. So, you'll need to log on, and if you're not a member, it's free to join. Then go to the section Seyfried Literature. Click on there and it will open up. Everything is there for you. Thomas Seyfrieds Kit. That's the letter that he puts out. A little bit about his book. And here is the information letter, metabolic therapy information, prostate cancer, mebendazole. It's all there for you to download. Enjoy. So, that'll do it for today. Please like the video. If you did, please consider supporting the channel by visiting metcancer.com/support. YouTube won't monetize the channel because it's so-called dangerous information. So please consider supporting the channel by visiting metcancer.com/support.